Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on Crypto Gems. If you already watched my previous video on how to set up your Metamask wallet and then connect it to Binance Smart Chain wallet, I am now going to show you on this one how to set up your Metamask BSC wallet and get BNB tokens on an exchange and then connect to Pancakeswap to earn cake tokens by staking and farming. So make sure to watch till the end, and as always I will be leaving all the links in the description below, so make sure to check those out and let's get right into it.
I am not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor.
Okay, so we should already be here on Pancakeswap site, and I will be leaving a link in the description below just so you can go directly here and create your account if you haven't done so already. But again, if you start feeling a bit lost during this video, then probably you need to watch the previous video that we did that I'll also leave in the description about how to set up your MetaMask with Binance with Pancakeswap. So if you already have that all set up, then you should be here. And first thing I want you to do is to make sure that the MetaMask extension is with the Smart Chain wallet, because if not, it won't connect to Pancakeswap. So it is an Ethereum based wallet, so you need to change it in order for it to connect. So all we do is I'm just going to open here our MetaMask. And then we're going to choose Smart Chain. Now it's going to be in BNB, and now we can connect the wallet. So we just click on MetaMask, and there you go. And that's all you have to do for it to connect to your Pancakeswap account. Now, how can we start trading in Pancakeswap? So you can exchange, and for that you simply go to the right hand menu, you click on exchange here, and we're gonna go, let's say if you want 0.05 BNB, so you just type in the from, and two, you can actually select different currencies either from the drop down menu here. So Pancakeswap already has some predetermined coins, a lot of predetermined coins I would say. So all these tokens, you can just select which one you like. And the other way is to select the address and paste here of the coin you want to use. So for that, we can go to CoinMarketCap, which I'll also leave the link in the description below. And here, the awesome thing is that you can check out how each coin is doing right now in the market. And then you can just go ahead and open it from here. And once you do click on the coin, you'll be able to go to contracts and just copy whatever address is there and paste it here. So those are some ways. You can also, for example, type for the coin that you want and it'll appear. So yeah, basically those are the three different ways. And once you select it, it'll tell you how much quantity that'll equal to. So yeah, just go and just check it out for yourself. Also for liquidity, right now in this account I don't have tokens. This is just for this example, but once you do have your tokens, it'll let you know the liquidity you currently have in that pool. So the other thing you may be wondering, what are pools and farming and all these terms that I keep hearing, right, about Pancakeswap? So basically it's a way that you can generate more tokens from basically just multiply it by leaving it in a safe pool. Now, what I do recommend is that for your Pancakeswap account and Smart Chain wallet, you use a different account, not your main account when you do where you do all your regular transactions. And this is because it's the web. There can always be leakages, and it's just better to be extra safe. Now, the other step that I've mentioned before on how you can be extra safe is by not only keeping it on these online wallets, but whatever you're not currently trading, having in that pool, you should be keeping it in a private address. So for example, we have the Trezor wallet, which I have talked about it before. I actually have a video which I'll link down about how you can get the best deals on your Trezor wallet, and it's really just one of the best options out there. It's one of the safest, and if you want to check that out, look at the video. If you want more information on it, all you have to do is check the website, which I'll also be linking below, with a special link where you can get some discounts on that wallet. So basically what you're doing when you have your private wallet, that private hardware address, it's that it's not going to be at any risk of someone being able to hack into your hard-earned cryptocurrency. So I'll leave the link in the description, and check that out please. Now for the farming, basically Pancakeswap has just different pools and farms that you can get into. You can check out the details right there, just see how it's performing. So as you can see just from here, the APRs on these are exceptionally high. So it's just a great opportunity. Don't leave this like for the future. It's something you want to get into now. So make sure to follow the steps, start leaving your coins there. Like if you're not currently using it, then why not have it in a place that it's going to be earning you more money without you having to, you know, do something with it. It's just leaving it there. So check those out. There's many different options, and it's good to vary between different ones. So the more that you have just out there, then the more you can invest in and just try it out. So do your research, of course, with everything beforehand, but don't just stay in that research. Take some action. And yeah, so what else did I want to talk to you about Pancakeswap? There's other fun things that they always have going on, like ways for you to earn free tokens, and they have something, for example, lottery, which gives you the chance for different like draws that they have. So they're always having different ways that like these aren't free, of course, but it's a great way to get possibly a big return on small investments. They also have some collectibles, so if you're into NFTs and things like that, you can definitely look at that as well. If that's a way that you want to invest your current cryptocurrency, it can always get more value in the future and you can resell it. So check all of this out. And that's really basically it for Pancakeswap. It's a really fun and simple platform to use. And as a quick recap, what you need to do is make sure that you have already linked your MetaMask wallet to your Smart Chain wallet, and then once you do link it as well to Pancakeswap, following the steps on the previous videos we did, then make sure that your extension is currently on that BNB token so that you can connect it easily to Pancakeswap, and then you can just start trading right away, see the liquidity of your current tokens, and then start farming and yielding and just multiplying your cryptocurrency that way. Now, the other thing I mentioned is that you want to have a separate account to the one that you usually do all your other transactions on, a separate account for Pancakeswap for Smart Binance Wallet. And in addition to that separate online account, you're gonna need to have an offline wallet, a hardware wallet, that private address that's gonna give you peace of mind, where you're just gonna know that that cryptocurrency there is secure. And it's not easy to go through all these tutorials at first, and once you do get that head start and you start seeing those earnings, why not keep what you work for safe? So I will be leaving the link again for Trezor in the description. Check it out. I'll also leave the link for Pancakeswap site and for CoinMarketCap, so you can get those addresses in case you don't find them here from the drop down menu that they have in their exchange tool. And that's really it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, guys, please give us a big like, and also leave any comments in the description below, any comments with questions we didn't answer, saying if you like this video, what you would like to see in future videos. We'll make sure to check out your comments and respond. And yes, if you like this video, then subscribe so you can see other great content, share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one.